In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your device is missing important security and quality fixes and you can't update your Windows. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So if you want to update your Windows and you see this message like this, I'm going to show you on the screen. If you see this type of message, what we want to do is to go to your Windows Update settings. From here, you will see if you get the message or not. So if you get that message, what we want to do is to find a setting and type troubleshoot. And we want to click on troubleshoot settings. From here, we want to click on other troubleshooters. And from here, you want to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. After you have run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, you want to restart your computer. Now, the next step we can do is to go open our command prompt. So we want to search CMD on our search bar. And from here, we want to run it as administrator. Now, you want to type all of these commands. I'm going to show you on the screen. Now you want to type all of these commands on the screen. So you can see all of these commands. You do not want to input it all at once. You want to do it one by one. So you want to copy this first line and input it on your CMD. So that's it. You want to do it one by one. Take note again. You want to input this one by one and not all at once. And after that, you want to restart your computer again. So if find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.